Shane's Lure Vision Charter, Southeast Louisiana Salt Life Captain. Today I'm going to be sight fishing for some redfish. We have some good things and bad things working for us today. Good things are we have no clouds, so a lot of sun, which is what you want for sight fishing. We also have an outgoing tide, which is great for for fishing in general out here in the marsh. And the water is super low, which is great for sight fishing. Bad thing is we do have some wind, so we do have some ripples on the water, but we're going to try to get it done. All right, y'all, let's get started. Here goes a big one right here. Decent size. He's not a giant, but he ain't small. Alright, he just saw my bait and he's got it. Alright, he just saw my bait and he's got it. Got him. Finally, y'all. Finally. I'm sorry it took so long. I got the wind and dirty water working against me today, y'all. But there's a lot of redfish right here. Oh, God. There he is, y'all. I might have screwed up and let him take it too long. Let me grab my pliers right here, y'all. There you go, y'all. Sorry it took so long. Like I said, the water's dirty. Wind's blowing. But hey, we got one. I'm going to let him go. There's a whole lot more of them right here, y'all. So I'm going to let this one go. Try to catch another one. He fell out of my hands anyway. Yeah, I see some reds right out here, y'all. Actually, quite a few. That might be that mega school from earlier today. They're just slightly out of casting distance, but they're working around, so they'll come here in a second. Earlier today, if y'all were watching me or not, I saw a mega school of redfish, probably 10, 11, 12 fish in a pond back there, and they came into this canal right here. It empties out into this bay right here. This bay is super shallow, but I see redfish all out in here. But I don't want to go out there in it and spook them, because they'll work their way back and forth. That ought to be the cast. We'll see. Okay, he's mad now. Now he knows he's hooked. He just figured out he's hooked now. Another big one, y'all, about the size we've been catching. I never felt the bite. I tell you what happened, y'all. I said the wind's blowing, the water's kind of dirty. But I was bouncing it and I saw I saw where he pushed. I saw his weight go towards the bait. And I waited a second, I saw my line swimming off. Another big one, y'all. I see more out there, y'all. I want to get this one in and get some more. Throwing Crazy Cast. It's made by Crazy Cast Lures. Crazy and Cast is with a K instead of a C. I'll show y'all the lure here in just a second. If I can get him in. He's a pretty good one. It ain't no bull red, but he thinks he is. Another big one. Woo! I don't know about y'all, boy. I'm having fun. It's tough to come out here and catch all these redfish. Somebody got to do it, though. Another one right here, y'all. Another decent one. They all been about that size or a little bit bigger. All right, let's get him in and get some more, y'all. I'm throwing them on that side of the canal, wishing they'd go back in there somewhere, but they keep swimming back out that way. Check your line, even when you're using braid, y'all, for frays. Crazy Cast, y'all. A little bit more of a brown, kind of a natural color. You should really check, especially when you're catching big fish or even just catching regular sized fish, like bass fishing, red fishing, anything that's got those little teeth. You need to make sure you check your line pretty regularly. And even though this is braid, braid can still fray. So anybody watching, I use a Palomar knot. It's real simple to tie. You're gonna take your line, pass it through the eye of the lure or hook, whatever you're using. Basically, you're gonna make a loop like that. So you got a loop. Then you're gonna take and just do an overhand knot like you're starting to tie your shoe. Pull it down, take your hook, lure, whatever you're using, and pass it back through that loop and pull it tight. That's a Palomar knot. It will not slip. It's a non-slip knot. You might break your line or break your rod or break your boat or break something, but most of the time that knot ain't gonna come undone. Quick little story time while I sharpen hook. When I first got my first bass boat, started fishing tournaments, this is the first, my dad gave me this hook sharpener. First hook sharpener I ever got. He said, always keep it in your pocket. You know, tournament fishing stuff, which I did. I always had this in my front pocket, and usually a pair of fingernail clippers. But anyway, another cool little story goes along with that. The first year I got my Ranger bass boat, or you know, my first bass boat was a Ranger. First year I got my Ranger bass boat, my dad was #1 in points in the division that year, and I was #2, and that was my first year having my own boat. And that was with the ABA back in Georgia, All American Bass Anglers. All right, y'all. grab us another Crazy Cast plastic. Jump back out there and catch another one. That's fun. Let me, I'm just straightening it up. I got some plastics laying right here, y'all. I just want to get them up off the deck of the boat. And also, grab me a water. And I'm not even kidding y'all. This Salt Life cooler right here, it's made by Grizzly. I've had ice in there. It's the same ice and water since Saturday. Have not touched it, and it's almost slap full. It's hardly any water in there. It's mostly ice. But it's a Salt Life cooler, like I said, made by Grizzly, and it's outstanding. Works great. Along with this Salt Life shirt I'm wearing, it's got a built-in mask. Makes it super simple. And I can't say enough about my glasses, y'all. They're polarized. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I wouldn't even be out here trying to sight fish if I didn't have a good pair of polarized glasses. And I wear Salt Life. Woo! Oh my God, it's a giant. It's a freaking giant. Ah. He's gonna be close to being bull red size, y'all. The cool thing is there's more of them out there. Oh yeah. Big boy. Big boy. Woo! There you go, y'all. Sorry it took so long to catch another one. Hold it up from my YouTube camera. Alright, y'all, I'm going to get him in the water and see if I can get some more out there. I'm going to put him on this side. I don't know if he's going to go back out there or not, but I'm out of the exact one, but this is what I'm using, y'all. It's Crazy Cast, made by Crazy Cast Lures. Y'all look them up. The website's actually crazycastfishingrods.com. They make custom-made fishing rods also. Alright, they're coming this way. Let's see if we can get one. God almighty, he almost snatched the rod out of my hand, y'all. Oh my God, this might be a bull. He's doing nothing but pull and drag. Did y'all see that? He almost snatched the rod out of my hand. Alright, they're coming this way. Let's see if we can get one. God almighty, he almost snatched the rod out of my hand, y'all. Oh my God, this might be a bull. He's doing nothing but pull and drag. Did y'all see that? Oh Lord. Y'all, the day went from slow to super awesome in a matter of minutes. He's not a bull, he's about the same size as the other one I just caught, which is fine with me. Still a giant. Oh my Lord. Come here, buddy. Get you off and get you back in the water and go catch some more. Woo! Do it all. Oh my Lord. All right, y'all. There's another one with just in a few minutes. Beautiful fish, multiple spots. Put it back in. Try to catch some more. Here we go. But all right, let's hit it. Look at all the redfish scattered.